When using a factory flare, sometimes they don't come back properly flared. Today, we are going to teach you how to flare a line set correctly. We recommend using the nuts that came with the equipment. Take the red cap off and you will see that the flare is choppy and there are ridges. Before we start, we'd like to give a special thanks to our friends at NAVAC for supplying us with this great flaring toolkit. The flaring block has a nice stop on it to tell you how far to put your pipe through. The flaring block itself is clutched so you cannot over-tighten it. Let the pipe cutter do the cutting. Hold the pipe upside down. Use the reamer to make sure there are no flakes in the pipe. If these flakes get caught in the system, they could clog the EXV valve. Take the flaring block and use the appropriate hole for whatever pipe you are using, then tighten down your flaring block. Begin flaring the pipe and continue to do so until the clutch releases. Give a few extra turns, then you can back the flaring tool out and release the pipe. There is clearly a big difference with the factory flare and the flare we just made.